There we go. Now I'm ready. Ooh, that's humpy. Whoop. That's not what I wanted to do. I'll wait for Luke. That was pretty rough. Oh, no worries. Oh boy. I gotta walk this. This is classic Pisgah right here. Look at this. Well, there's a point and shoot line, but whoo. Yeah, that's right.
This type of stuff, it's always to me a matter of maintaining enough speed versus going too fast.
I mean, that is the trick. The trick is getting back on too afterwards. I can't get back on it either. Oh, I can't get back on. It probably looks completely flat on the video. That's pretty steep. I'd be a little steeper than Pilot. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like pretty steep rock ledges here. There's a steep one. Yeah, I got halfway down that and I was like, I couldn't roll it. I was further right because I was like, oh, I'm gonna huck that, and I was like,
Good for my, you know, being careful kind of thing, because I was like, everything's in here is rideable. Well,
right.
not for me.
No, it's totally good for the. It's good for the humility too, right?
Humility.
Yeah. I mean, that got real. Oh man, this is getting real too. Look at this. And who put this uphill in the middle of my downhill?
Because you know, I was styling that downhill.
Right, right.
So is this bedded here or is this buckhorn?
This is buckwheat.
Buckwheat, okay.
Buckwheat knob. Looks like we got downhill again. Oh man.
Oh, the uphill's not looking so bad now.
I'm too pooped to go down.
At least this doesn't make some creams like the last one.
Right. That last one was gnarly, man. All right.
You should have seen the stuff I walked around today.
Yeah. Woo, that was big. That's a big drop. Oh, I don't think I can make it. All right, can I do this one? Oh yeah. Oh, and take the cheater route. Yeah. Wow. That is some good stuff right there. Oh my. Oh, that looks like a good jump. Woohoo! Wowie wow! Oh, wowie wowie.
I'm going to get some meat pads in it.
Oh, dude. I don't see how you do it without them.
How you do it slower?
It's just a mind over matter thing.
Yeah.
All right, so we were on Buckwheat Knob, but this is now Bennett. When we crossed the road, we're now on Bennett. And this just climbs for a while, so I'm gonna turn the video off.